In recent years, Gujarat has blossomed into a vibrant hub of progress, weaving together innovation in infrastructure, business, agriculture, renewable energy, and education. The state's extensive network of roads, modern airports, advanced railway stations, and thriving industrial hubs are not just symbols of advancement, but testaments to its dynamic evolution. This transformation began in 2001 with Narendra Modi as Chief Minister. His visionary leadership inaugurated the vibrant Gujarat Summit in 2003, a groundbreaking initiative that sparked an industrial renaissance. The summit attracted domestic and international investment, enhancing the ease of doing business in the state by streamlining regulations and dismantling barriers to entrepreneurship.
बीते 20 वर्षों में इस समिट ने नए आइडियाज को प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है। इसने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और रिटर्न्स के लिए नए गेटवे बनाए हैं।
As a result, Gujarat has experienced a surge in employment opportunities and nurtured a thriving ecosystem for various industries. In 2008, Tata selected Gujarat for its nano plant, benefiting from the state's business-friendly environment. Following Tata Motors' investment in Sanand, several automobile manufacturing plants emerged, including Suzuki Motor Gujarat, Hero MotoCorp, and Honda Motorcycle. This remarkable journey has positioned Gujarat as a beacon of development and innovation. Industry leaders have hailed this pro-business approach of Gujarat, facilitated by its visionary leadership coupled with policy reforms.
When foreigners think of New India, they think of a new Gujarat, Navu Gujarat. How did this transformation happen? Because of one leader, and he is Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, the most successful Prime Minister in India's history.
गुजरात में स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ भी इतनी अच्छी तरह से डेवलप हो रही है और फॉरेन को यहाँ गुजरात एक हब है, ऐसा एक सिचुएशन उन्होंने खड़ा किया। इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि एमएसएमई में केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज़ है, फार्मा इंडस्ट्रीज़ है, जो हमारा इंपोर्ट डिपेंडेंसी थी चाइना की, वो इंपोर्ट डिपेंडेंसी हमको चली गई और इसकी वजह से यहाँ उन्होंने ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस जो बहुत ज़रूरी था, वो इंडेक्स हमारा 170 के प्लस था, वो घटा के 70 के अंदर ला दिया।
Surat's Vishwakarma Engineering Company exemplifies the progress in Gujarat's industrial landscape. Founded in 2005 during Narendra Modi's tenure as Chief Minister, the company initially focused on manufacturing a handful of parts for textile production. Thanks to the Vibrant Gujarat campaign, the company's growth soared from Rs 50 lakh to 5 crores.
सन 2005 के बाद से हम लोग इसमें जुड़े हैं। वाइब्रेंट गुजरात का ये प्लेटफॉर्म है जो वो छोटे व्यापारियों के उससे जुड़ने का मौका मिलता है उससे।
Gujarat consistently ranks among the top states and union territories for ease of doing business. The Gujarat Single Window Clearance Act 2017 was a key step which has helped expedite processes for issuance of various licenses, clearances and certificates required for setting up a business and to provide an investor-friendly environment in the state. In the financial year 2024, the state attracted a foreign direct investment of $7.3 billion. In the financial year 2023-24, a jump of 55% over the previous fiscal. This influx has greatly benefited local businesses such as Karnavati Hydraulic in Ahmedabad, which manufactures hydraulic cylinders for various industries.
जब से मोदी साहब आए तब से ये सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया है। कोई एक जगह जाओ पूरा काम फिनिश हो जाता है। और ये जीएसटी का आया ये तो एकदम सबसे बढ़िया हो गया है कि आराम से बिजनेस कर सकते हैं। कोई दूसरी जगह अभी ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन बिजनेस पे ही रहता है, नहीं कोई इंस्पेक्टर राज जैसा कुछ नहीं। पहले तो ऐसे ही आ जाते थे और परेशान करते थे।
Since Narendra Modi became the country's Prime Minister in 2014, Gujarat's development has accelerated significantly. This double-engine government has further propelled Gujarat's progress. Under Chief Minister Bhupendra Bhai Patel's leadership, the state has achieved remarkable milestones in business and other sectors.